So you all might have seen on social media some of the magnetic lashes and thought it seems too good to be true, and I thought the same thing. So of course I ordered a pair straight away and anxiously waited a few weeks for them to come from the States. I received the 1-2 lash, and I must admit I tried to put them on for about an hour until I finally figured out a couple of little hot tips to make putting magnetic lashes on that little bit easier, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So my first tip is to always apply mascara. The reason being is if you apply mascara first, your lashes are a little bit sticky, and it also gives some kind of weight for the lashes to sit on instead of them just falling off your soft lashes. So that's my first tip. And my second tip is about applying the bottom lash. So I'll show you that as I get started. So this is how the 1-2 lashes appear. They're on a little magnetic bed, and they tell you if you're using a top right or a bottom right or a top left or a bottom left. So the first one you apply is the top lash. So you just grab it. I'm going to do the right eye. You just grab it off the plate and apply it onto your lashes. The easiest way to do this is to apply it downwards so it sits. So as you can see, it's not applied perfectly at all. Then grab the bottom lash. The bottom lash, I know which one it is because there's a tiny red dot, so it tells me which one it is. And obviously the longer lashes are always on the outside edge. If you hold it at the very tip, the problem that I was having was I was trying to apply the lash like this, and it was pulling the magnet out so they weren't sitting on my lash line. So if you grab the magnet and you actually pop underneath, and now I've got one eye done, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. For someone who loves false lashes and has a lot of trouble applying them, doesn't want any glue or any long-term damage of the lash extensions, this is the perfect solution.